Jubin Guard la so pirthe pen che o tanglo. Tangte nang li chinima Jubin Guard ko matlo. Assam angkang pi chot kali, India angkang pi along Jubin Guard aphan kachini niya bang dolangma. Alang li ke ningkan pharo kreser kebra troxer kebra hini 1972 phaikuni achiklo ni phai krener kep arnisi amahang kethek. Alang li amahang kethek wek adim lake tura pu adim Meghalaya state along. Bon da alang li kethe kiding lapen loke charli lake Jorhat district Assam along pensi kapangcheng. Bang ason bihek pen lo charli dunsi school level tandet pen Karimgan college along purhi dun thulo. Api bi bora college along purhi dun lang bonta patang dun pame medat si api ke lun kilun anat king kam chior dun pen pirthe anong nam chithang tanglo. Ningkan pharo kreser kebra troxer kebra hini 1992 aningkan Anamika pu album hello alang di kilun cheng album. India dang thebi alang liphan ka chini ke gangster pu Hindi a film along Hiya Ali alunjur kilundun pensi anong nam kachithang. Jubin Guard ki Assamese alunjur chotle kilun kali bonta India long son plikep anak hai kaprek alunjur kilun pon abang. Lason si Assamese, Manipuri, Adi, Boro, Garo, Golparia, Kannada, Karbi, Malayalam, Marathi, Mising, Nepali, Odia, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, lapen Tiwa, lason si kaprek akhaya lunjir kilun pon abang pu ilo. Lason si kitip kitheng atheki music ahinta son kre hinyan ason amung kitip kirothek pami abang pu. Rengti gahut anong e mate award kilong pon lapuson hello. National Film Award Best Music Director A Course of Silence pu 2009 aningkan. Honorary Doctor of Literature degree from the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya 2024 aningkan pen. Lason si kaongdung Prax Cine Awards, Global Indian Film Awards, Filmfare Awards lapen kaprek anong e kilong u abang pu ilo. Jubin Guard Singapore arong sepi kijui aphan kitle gedam kali bonta 2025 aningkan aphan Northeast Festival along lun kilun dunji aphan si kedam. Bonta kopai kerang no ajok talo along kijui ning cheparong dam ji aphan chiti ni phai craser cap arni scuba diving aphan dam lo. Bonta lang arlo ang hopen kang om oxygen ki en ahut lang kereng jun ponlong lok ajok achithi bangun edat lo. Laswaki sung thaiglong si Singapore Police atun pijok dun lo. Bonta achithi kewang donuk pik ajok hospital pon lo. Bonta ICU arun arlo achithi abidat si achor sangpi garima saikia guard lapen asopo gadam guard aphan pamote kang lo. Alang ni laso pirthe pen cheo tanglo pu birta karjilong pen alang ni lunjur karjuver atum offense atum anta kachiru aning kiduk social media achatayalong chithang klublo. Lason si Jubin Guard laso pirthe ave tanglo pu pen ke Assam lapen Assamese akhaya phan lekan hokchot kali monta kado kawe alang liphan kachini lapen khai lapen jasamet Bharat adet along unta alang liphan akan hok thepiglo. Athe alang li inut lun sepo lapen alang li director lapen alang li inut the music director kado kawe isu talent ke do bang khu laso pirthe pen kavedat ke kan hok thepik tanglo. News Desk report, the leading site news.
Hi guys, my friends from Singapore. I'm coming to Singapore tomorrow on 17th of September, and we are organizing an event called Northeast Festival. There, I'm Jubin Guard from Bollywood in Assam and Northeast, and I'll be coming to join you, and I invite you, all of you, to join us for this cultural event. It's not only culture, it's a traditional event from Northeast. We organize in different places, and this time we are doing it in Suntec City, Singapore. So all are invited. See you there. I'll be there. I'll be performing. I'll be talking to you, and I'll be there with you. Thank you and love you, Singapore, all people. Thank you very much.
你只当作把酒。